Ever wished you could instantly isolate your subject from any background, making your creative visions a reality? Today, we're diving into the magical world of RunwayML to achieve exactly that. First, head over to RunwayML and navigate to their image editing tools. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on their powerful background removal feature. Let's start with a sample image. As you can see, this photo has a background that we want to completely eliminate to make our subject pop. Once your image is uploaded into RunwayML, you'll see a suite of AI-powered tools. Look for the Remove Background or a similar dedicated option. It's usually quite intuitive. Clicking on this tool initiates the magic. RunwayML's AI analyzes your image, intelligently identifying the subject and separating it from its surrounding backdrop. And just like that, behold, the background is gone, leaving you with a perfectly isolated subject. Ready for your next design project, you'll see a transparent background indicator, often a checkerboard pattern. This is incredibly useful for creating professional product shots, eye-catching social media graphics, stunning website elements, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. Once you're happy with the result, simply export your image. Make sure to choose a format that supports transparency, like PNG, to preserve your newly cleared background. With RunwayML, background removal is no longer a tedious task, but a seamless and creative process. So start experimenting and transform your images today.